welcome back to another video.
Sponsored by Pilsbury.
Not sponsored, but we're about to
but
rock your world.
You should sponsor us.
If you've seen basically any of our TikTok recipe hacks, we end up trying a lot of stuff with Pilsbury products.
Yes.
And in researching what other things we could do with Pilsbury products,
or just thinking about them.
thoughts.
Just thinking about biscuits and being like, what else could I do with this?
We've done stuff with crescent rolls, but for this one, it's
all
biscuits.
All
biscuits.
biscuits. We're doing 5 things. 5 really quick, simple things with biscuits.
I took 5.
I took 5.
Okay, 5 recipes, all different.
Yeah, we're gonna do a mixture of sweet and savory. Starting with savory because I'm starving.
Okay.
You want to do one and I'll do one?
Okay.
Okay, so which one do you want to do?
I don't know. Which one do you want to do?
I think we should start with the waffle grilled cheese and the mini pizzas. So which do you have a preference?
Grilled cheese.
You want to do the grilled cheese?
I think so.
Okay, cool. So waffle iron's in there.
Okay, you get it.
And
Just kidding.
And I will do the pizza.
Just kidding.
I'm really excited for pizza.
So excited. Do I have to do anything to these?
You're gonna roll them out a little bit.
I have to roll them out a little bit.
I would thin them out, like roll it, put some cheese in the center, put another one on top, like you're making a little pizza pocket, and then you put it in the thing.
Okay, I guess I should get the thing heating up since that's not gonna take
Probably with a little spray.
Oh, a little spray.
A little
Hey.
spray.
Hey.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Okay, so wait, I'm doing like.
I think you should do 2, yeah, so that they're sizable enough grilled cheeses.
That's a great sound.
Jesus Christ.
Slap that dough. Slap it.
Dough.
This is why this video isn't sponsored.
You need a rolling pin.
Yeah, probably.
Alright, let's make some pizzas. They're gonna be like really mini pizzas, almost like English muffin pizzas. Like I'm thinking that, or should I go thinner?
No, that seems like a good size. It reminds me of Lunchables dough.
Oh my god.
But I know it's not gonna look like that when it's done.
No, definitely.
No, definitely not. No. Should I make it bigger?
Whatever you want.
I don't know what's
Remember,
gonna happen.
this is made with love.
You know what? It's gonna
The
be a
only
test.
rule is
I could
love.
always make the next one bigger, and we will learn.
Yeah! We have so much dough to work with.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do 4 pizzas. Get it nice and cheesy. It's grilled cheese
that
after
good?
all. I think that looks great.
And then like that.
Yeah.
Seal the edges.
Yeah, just a little bit at least. So
Otherwise,
it doesn't cheese go everywhere?
Cheese
Yeah.
can go everywhere. It's just like a little medallion of goodness.
Oh my goodness, I'm so excited.
Hot diggity dog.
I feel like you like to waffle things.
Yeah.
Accurate, yep.
Here we go.
Go for it. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Is this a party or is this a party?
It looks like a Lunchable. Like 100% it looks like you're building a Lunchable. Oh my gosh, how long is this gonna take? I'm nervous.
I would check it after like 4 to 5 minutes.
I don't know how long that.
Roughly, you know?
Not sponsored.
I wish. That would be a great sponsor. I use their product so much.
Pizza's going in.
Bye! Okay, I'm making cobbler. Have you ever made a cobbler?
No.
Me neither. I don't
What
know.
is that?
I don't really know. It's usually a cobbler is like fruit with like almost like scone or biscuity type stuff on top, I think. I've never really had one. But we're making one with Pilsbury, whatever these are, biscuits on top. You're just gonna like cut them into quarters. Cobbler! Look at this.
That is a lot more gelatinous than I was expecting.
It's pie filling. Actually, the whole can might fit in here to a nice small layer. This is supposed to be enough for one pie.
If you ever need a really quick dessert,
This, a biscuit, and some whipped cream.
there you
Oh my
go.
god, that would actually be so good, I feel
Good
like.
in business. Here's your grilled cheese waffle.
Oh my god, I'm so excited for this.
Jesus.
Alright, so should I just rip this apart or should I cut them?
I think just rip it. It's not supposed to look nice. Like, it's supposed to look.
So it's like rustic.
It's all gonna blend together. Isn't it?
Yeah, sure. I don't actually know.
I think it just is a layer of bread.
A layer of bread.
Here's your waffle.
I don't know how many to add.
Look yummy.
Like, should this be fully covered or is
How
that
much
like
cheese
enough?
will be in it?
Is this enough, or should I add
It'll
more?
expand though, right?
That's what I'm thinking, right?
You could
so
do
this is one more,
a little
maybe?
bit more. Here, use this. Get this out of here.
Get this out of here. You can eat your grilled cheese if you want.
I can eat this right now.
Yeah, if you want to.
No, I'll wait for you.
Okay. Wow, we're done 3 already. All we have left is muffins and donuts.
Whoa.
Keep frying.
You know what? Why don't we just split this?
Sure.
Ready? 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 Ready?
It's vegan, it might not. Oh, a little bit.
It's just that they're
Ready?
Yeah. You know what?
I put a little bit more cheese.
I was gonna
but, like, this is good.
It's a good concept.
I love grilled cheese.
I just need more cheese.
Yeah, I will do it.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, it's so good.
This has a lot more cheese in it this time.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there are little pockets of like really good amount of cheese.
Yummy.
I would 100% do this.
Yeah.
You don't get like the buttery crispiness when you get it on bread,
Mm-hmm.
but like it's a whole different experience, and it's a good one.
And you know what? It's a little bit more portable.
Mm-hmm. And you don't have to deal
Make
with your
your-
stove.
Make your waffle grilled cheese and you're out the
I
door.
love that. So
Love.
much. Love.
Okay.
No, that's great. I loved it.
It's going really well so far. Okay, this is one of the muffins. This is gonna be a muffin.
A stuffed muffin or a ball of dough with things in it.
Okay, a stuffed dough.
We're gonna now seal it all up. And then this gets turned into a ball somehow, I guess.
And this has mozzarella cheese, mushrooms, and pickled jalapenos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know how to turn this into a ball. How did you do this? I'm afraid to like really turn this into a ball because like I don't want to squish everything inside.
Squish it. I don't know what. I just feel like nothing can break.
I guess so. Yeah, you're right. Nothing could break. Oh no, the cheese is broken.
Okay, the dough could break.
Yeah, the dough could break. We're gonna really try and seal this up. I think it's going okay.
Okay. So good.
Oh my god, what a good day. Oh!
Oh, donuts from a can. What a time to be alive.
Mm-hmm.
Pizzas from a can. What a time to be alive.
They actually do have a pizza dough, I've learned.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
so true. Wow.
I just
Yeah, but this is mini pizza.
Yeah, no, mini
We
pizza
like
is
mini
more
food
important.
better.
All right.
You did it.
We got to taste 2 of our favorite things. Pizza and donuts.
Okay, pizza first.
Yeah. Okay, like that's a nice bottom.
Perfect. Nice bottom.
Yeah, it's so soft.
Perfect.
It's really good.
It's perfect.
I could also see this being really good garlic bread.
Mm-hmm.
It's so soft.
Mm-hmm.
It honestly actually feels really close to Lunchable, just softer.
Yeah, because the Lunchable crust is like bready,
Mm-hmm.
but
But cardboardy at the
Yeah.
same time. I think I still prefer like an English muffin pizza.
Yeah?
It gets nice and crispy in English muffin pizza. But this is really good. I think I'd rather do this with pizza packets, remember?
yes,
Than pizzas.
yes.
Ready?
What the
Oh my
heck?
God.
Did I just eat a cloud?
That is so good. That just looks like a donut.
That's perfection.
Oh my gosh.
What?
I also just feel like you should just deep fry them as biscuits as well. Like you don't need the cinnamon sugar, but just eat biscuits that are
Yeah,
deep
but-
fried.
Look at these.
They're so cute.
This would be
They're
like
so good.
donut cereal. Remember that?
Yeah.
I would never ruin these with milk.
It'd actually be really cute if you did a donut cupcake and then you topped the cupcake with those.
Shut up. Yes.
That'd be really cute. Or like a coffee cupcake with little mini donuts on top.
Shut up.
These are great. Make these.
Wow.
We still have
2 more things to
Or,
try.
like, actually though, if you have a craving for donuts, just do this. And I bet if you did them like without the hole, you could potentially put something in them, maybe?
Oh, like a jelly?
I don't know. Because they're pretty, like, not dense, but like there's no holes inside, but I feel like you might be able to.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Okay, here's the muffins.
Looks great. They didn't burst anywhere. Oh
Wow.
my god, they look great.
Okay, and here's the cobbler.
Sure, something.
Is this a cobbler? Now we're second guessing what we are calling it. Whoa.
But it looks great.
Berries and biscuits.
Whatever it is, I feel like it's gonna be
It's just
delicious.
berries and biscuits.
Yeah, berries and biscuits. We gotta try it first.
We gotta try it first. We gotta see if it's safe.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still hot. Look at
Yeah, you gotta blow on it.
Yeah.
I wouldn't make it.
Yeah.
It's fine. Like, it tastes good. But you can make a crumble in just the same amount of time.
I think a crumble's better.
Yeah, because it's got crispy bits. This filling's not too bad though.
This is too soft.
Yeah, I agree. Maybe we need more, but like
Yeah,
I
but
think it's a bit too soft.
It gets crispy on the top, as you would expect, with the moisture from the not good.
This is fine.
It's just fine. We
If
can
you
all
want
be
something
winners.
quick, I would just do the donut and put jam on top.
Jam on top.
Dip it. Dip it in the jam.
Into the line, folks.
We're gonna need some muffins, bagel bite things. They're really cute.
Stuffed muffins.
They are soft on the bottom.
Actually,
Biscuit dough just gets soft.
it's soft.
You know? Are you ripping yours
I
open?
am. Is that wrong?
No, I'm just wondering. Oh my god, there's so much
Ah,
cheese
it's a
in
mess.
it. There's so much cheese in it. Oh my god. Oh my god, what's happening? Ah, Jesus.
How do I eat this?
Oh, look at that.
Everything, everywhere, all at once. Ah! It's so soft.
Oh, really?
It's too hot. What are you doing? I can see with my eyes that it's too hot, and you're like, let me check with my mouth.
Everything bagel seasoning didn't really stick to the top.
Yeah, what's that about?
What gives, man? Okay, like, it's good. I probably wouldn't make it again. I might do it as a breakfast thing, though. Like, I could see adding egg to it. Like, we did. Just, you know, different. More stuff.
Yeah.
But, like, it's nothing special. I prefer the pizzas, I think.
I was gonna say, it's pretty similar.
Mm-hmm.
Did we just dupe ourselves?
We did.
What are we doing? It's fine.
They're fine.
Could be better. Wow, we went downhill at the end there.
No. No,
We're doing so well.
Okay, what was your favorite?
Na, 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 the donuts.
Yeah, second favorite.
The pizza, actually.
Really? I think
think
the
so.
grilled cheese was my second favorite, then pizza.
It's close,
Then these, then cobbler.
but I feel like we never got the cheesiness level of the waffle right.
I don't know, I still really liked it.
The jalapenos get a little spicy in here.
Yeah. Yeah. Most of my jalapenos are on this half,
Aw.
so I didn't really
Oh.
get a lot on the first half.
Okay.
Okay, so this was fun. Should we do this again with crescent rolls?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, we're not even asking you. We're asking them.
Let Ooh, spicy.
Ooh, oh, that's spicy. That's what you're doing? I thought you were
Yeah.
just excited.
Oh yeah, no, I'm excited for more Pillsbury content. Let us know what you want to see
Yeah.
from Pillsbury.
From Pilsbury.
Let us know which one of these was your favorite.
Are you gonna make any of them?
Yeah. Or have you already?
You should make the donuts.
And you're like, where have you been all your life? I have always known about this.
You're like, guys, what's happening?
And we didn't know
You're
anything.
so behind.
We live under a rock.
I need water.
Okay. That's gonna be it for this video.
Like,
Comment,
subscribe,
share,
follow.
all the things.
Wait, follow's not an option.
Oh, you could try.
Don't try. Do all the things.
Okay, that's all.
And also let us know what we should do with crescent rolls.
Yes,
What hacks?
we're gonna hack it up.
Hack it up. Hack, 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 hack. Bye.
Bye!
So much going on this counter. Why are you so messy?